Hi everyone, it's been quite a Monday here in Tallahassee at Florida State University, and we know that we'll be closed from Tuesday through the end of the week and that our honor students register for classes on Monday, October 15th. Unfortunately, a lot of our appointments have been canceled, as have our schedule building workshops, so we've made these quick videos for you to help you get prepared with everything you need to know to really maximize your priority registration for this semester. So please take a look at all of them, starting with this one, checking your holds. So as you go through and prepare for your registration, you're going to want to make sure that you know if you have any holds on your account. So right now I'm demonstrating on my own account in the student view, and you can see in my tasks that there's one hold and a to-do list item. So I'm going to just sort of walk you through what this looks like. You're going to have maybe one or two holds on your account. It looks like everyone this semester has this pre-registration guide hold. It says, if you click on it, that you're required to complete the pre-registration guide each term. You can find it within your to-dos, and you can see that right here in your to-do list below. So clicking on that, more instructions, it says to click on the SC icon located in the MyFSU portal, and then click on My Tasks. So in order to get there, we're going to start with the SC icon. Click on that, and then click on My Tasks. Looking at what that hold says, it looks like we can just go ahead and click on this. It's going to ask you to authenticate yourself. So you can have it, this isn't my phone number. You can have it call you. Just make sure you have your cell phone ready, and it'll go ahead and give you a call. So my phone's ringing right now. I'm going to go ahead and answer that and open up the keypad, and you can click any key on the keypad to go ahead and log yourself in. And then you can go ahead and hang up the call. That's really the fastest way to verify. So now you've got a couple of things that you have to walk yourself through. The introduction, personal contact info, permission to contact, etc., etc. And so you just want to make sure that you've got all of this taken care of, and that should lift the hold from your account. So if you go back to your MyFSU portal, you should be able to see when that hold is lifted. I haven't completed the tasks yet, so mine's still here. If you have any other holds, you want to go ahead and click on those to see what are the steps you need to take to get that hold lifted off your account. You want to take action on these as soon as possible. Some of them are automatic and will remove themselves as soon as you finish the task. Others might require you to meet in person with someone on campus, and so in that case, you really want to know exactly what is required for you of each hold. All right, that is the holds video, and next we'll talk about figuring out what classes you need.